Tired of being confined to just one program? Today, we're bridging the gap between Photoshop and Illustrator to supercharge your design workflow, teaching you how to seamlessly use a Photoshop file in Adobe Illustrator. First, ensuring you're ready. Save your Photoshop file. It needs to be saved as a PSD file, which is the native Photoshop format. This preserves all your layers, styles, and adjustments for flexibility when you bring it over. Next, open Adobe Illustrator. You will learn two ways to import your Photoshop file seamlessly. Option 1 is to open it directly. Go to File, then click on Open, and select your PSD file. Illustrator will present you with import options. You can choose how the layers from your Photoshop file will be handled. Select the options you need, and click OK. Often, choosing Merge Layers or Flatten Layers to preserve makes it easy to use right away. Your Photoshop file is now open in Illustrator. This is a really straightforward way to bring raster content into Illustrator. It's ideal for using photographs or textured elements. Let's dive into option to placing the file. Go to File, then click Place. Navigate to your PSD file and hit Place. Now, click on the artboard to set the file's placement and size. Just like placing any image. Just like before, you'll see the Photoshop content. You can scale, rotate, and position it as needed. With both methods, you can now use your Photoshop-created elements in Illustrator. This allows you to combine them with vector graphics, typography, and other Illustrator-specific tools. If you want to edit the original Photoshop file, you can always make changes in Photoshop. Save the PSD and the linked content in Illustrator to refresh to reflect those changes. By integrating both programs, you get the best of both worlds. Work smarter, not harder. Combine the strengths of Photoshop and Illustrator for your best work yet. #Illustrator integration #Photoshop workflow.